Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone users are reporting that they are facing screen flickering issue after iOS update. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series and iPhone SE second and third generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 2. Turn off auto brightness. For that, launch Settings app. Next, tap on Accessibility option. Tap on Display and Text Size. Now turn off the toggle for the auto brightness. Solution 3. Turn on Reduce Transparency. To do this, open the Settings app. Next, find and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Display and Text Size option. Now turn on the toggle for the Reduce Transparency and Increase Contrast option. Solution 4. Update iOS. To update, launch Settings app. Next, find and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 5. Reset all settings. For that, navigate to Settings. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset all settings. Again, tap Reset all settings to confirm the process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.